Hey, what's up, YouTube? How's it going? Happy New Year! It's January 1st, and I am doing my first ride of the year. I am not sure if you guys see the foggy weather. Everything covered with fog, almost. I am not sure if everyone's or anyone is talking about the winters because winters are the season for riders. They wait for it. It's probably the best season that every biker enjoys and wants to go for more and more rides. You will not have high temperatures. You will probably be cruising at hundreds and still be happy with the kind of weather. I like winter so much. That gives me the flexibility of riding to many places. Well, this one is specifically for the people who don't know about the filling stations in Hyderabad, especially around Madhapur. This one has the XP95. Super bikers know it because they have to get that filled up every time. There's the other one up ahead, which is open 24/7. I think that's also the Indian Oil petrol pump. There you go. That's the one. Not sure if you guys can see it. So, these bushes, man. So that's the largest one I've ever seen. And it's open 24/7. So no worries about filling out fuel any time of the day, any time of the night. Who doesn't love the foggy weather, man? It's cool. You'll be able to see everything, but it's somewhat covered with fog. And that gives a super good view of everything. Damn, I love this weather, man. Okay, let's talk about the morning rides or sunrise rides. Who doesn't love it? Like, seriously. It's the best time of the day. You can enjoy your bike, like riding happily while there are not much vehicles moving around and you'll see pretty much open roads. That's something which definitely excites every rider to see the open roads. You can go faster, no chaos on the road, no traffic, enjoying the open roads. That is why people prefer morning rides. Damn, it's so cold, man. Hey, not this way. Hey. These water roundabouts definitely confuse the hell out of me. I should be going this way. I went that way. And then that way. Dude, are you serious? Where do you want this guy to go? This guy was giving siren to that JCB. Just like he could swerve around and give him way. I could pass through. Yeah. Go ahead, buddy. The road is all yours. This is why riders prefer going out in the morning. Look at that view, man. Look at that view. Not sure if the camera is being able to justice this view, but I'm loving it. The greens over the sides, the black road. I mean, this is something a photographer would love to see and experience and capture them. Man, I love it. It was a good ride. Breakfast is also super good, but it's on the expensive side. So with that, let's end the first vlog of the year. Again, Happy New Year. Let's keep riding. Let's have fun. See you.